Hi, this is Kelly, and today we have a new addition to our chicken family. This is our brooder that you're looking at right now. We have had a heat lamp in here heating up the brooder, or it's kind of like a nursery for the chickens. And on the cool end, it's a little over 80 degrees. It needs to be between 87 and 92 for the babies. Um, so I'm going to go ahead and put them in there where it's warm. We have a heat lamp on this side, which it'll be warmer over here than it is over there. So I'm going to move the heat lamp only temporarily till I get the babies in. Well, you know what? I don't have to move that. Just a little. And this is a big transition for them. There's 3 new babies that my niece Charlotte hatched at school. And I'm going to set the box inside the brooder just in case anyone decides to jump. Now, I have no way of knowing if these are hens or if these are roosters. The first one here is like a gray and a tan color. And the very first thing I'm going to do is show it where the water is. And I do that by dipping its beak in the water so it can find it. The second one here is another one that it's yellow and it looks like it has some gray in it too. And I'm going to go ahead and dip its beak in the water. And I'm going to put that one in the food dish so it knows where the food is. And the third one is also another yellow one with some gray in it. I dipped its beak in so it knows where the water is. Now I'm going to go ahead and dump out the shavings that I had in the box. And I'm going to close this up to retain the heat that's inside of there. In the water, we put probably about a gallon of water, and we use Bragg's organic apple cider vinegar. We probably put 2 tablespoons of this in here. It's very important to do this with a brand of apple cider vinegar that contains the mother. And this has a lot of good bacteria in it that will help keep the chickens healthy and to help them digest their food. Another thing we do to help them digest their food is we give them cornmeal. They're a little too small for regular grit, small rocks or something like that that would help, that a bigger chicken could store in its crop to help grind up the food that it eats. So the baby chicks, they get cornmeal. And that helps them to be able to digest their food, and it must taste good to them because chickens that we've had in the past have really enjoyed that. Their bedding is pine shavings, and there's also some diatomaceous earth mixed in there. The diatomaceous earth is sort of like fossilized sea creatures from some point in time that are ground up into a dust. And what this does, it keeps mites and other bugs down, and it's good for the chickens. And you can see they're in there exploring, and they seem to be right at home. The brooder is approximately the same size, maybe a little larger than the one that they had at school. And that's really about it. We have a heat lamp on them for heat. We have a sturdy brooder box. They have water with the apple cider vinegar in it. The temperature is where it needs to be. And we have the medicated chick starter food for them. And we have the cornmeal for them, which is, it helps them, but it's also tasty. And these are our new baby chicks. And what are their names, Charlotte? Ash. Take off your mask. Stripe. Is that one of them? Yeah. Ash, Stripe, and what was the third one? The rest of them are Sweet Cinnamon? No, Sweet. Sweet. Okay, the chickens' names are Ash, Stripe, and Sweet. Is the gray one named Ash? Yeah. Okay. We'll figure out the two yellow ones, which one is Stripe and which one is Sweet at another point in time. And as they get bigger, we'll be able to identify the breeds. But for right now, we don't know what breed these are, but we do know that they hatch from brown eggs. And we'll keep you updated on the growth of these chickens and whenever we integrate them into the established flock that we have. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Bye.